Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today on How You Cooking Time, we are going to make some nice jerk shrimp. So these are all the ingredients that I will use for this dish. So I have my jumbo shrimp in my bowl. So guys, I have my Maggi jerk seasoning, Maggi fish seasoning, garlic powder, my homemade jerk seasoning, and I also have my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So guys, feel free to use any other seasonings of your preference, but these are the ones that I'm going to use to season my shrimp. So first, going in with half teaspoon of garlic powder. Now going in with my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm using half teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Now going in with my Maggi jerk seasoning. So I'm using half teaspoon of my Maggi jerk seasoning. Now going in with my fish seasoning. I find that fish seasoning enhances the shrimp flavor. So I'm going to go in with half teaspoon of my fish seasoning. Now going in with my homemade jerk seasoning using 2 tablespoons. Then going to mix everything together and get our shrimp nicely seasoned. So guys, our shrimp is nicely seasoned. So now we're just going to place it in the fridge for 2 to 3 minutes so that the shrimp can absorb the seasonings. Okay guys, so after 3 minutes we are ready to saute our shrimp. So first going in with 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I'm just going to allow this to heat up. Then we'll add our shrimp. So guys, our oil is ready. So now we're going to go in with our shrimp. So placing them one by one. So guys, shrimp doesn't take long to cook and these shrimp are already pre-cooked. So now I'm just going to allow them to cook for a minute on each side. So guys, after a minute, just flipping my shrimp on the other side. Just allowing my shrimp to cook for about a minute. Then going to turn off my stove because I don't want my shrimp to overcook. So guys, after a minute, just giving it a quick shake for the final time. So guys, this is our shrimp. Our shrimp is nicely done. It is all ready. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like about this video. And also guys, please subscribe if you haven't done that already. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. So until I see you next time, bye guys.